We've all seen lions, tigers, and bears, majestic creatures that have captured our imaginations for centuries. These iconic animals roam the plains, stalk the jungles, and prowl the forests. But what if I told you that in the farthest corners of our world, and sometimes in the most unlikely of places, there exist animals that seem to blend the essence of all three? Animals whose very DNA tells a story of unexpected encounters and remarkable unions. Throughout nature, the boundaries between species can sometimes blur, producing outcomes that challenge our understanding of what's possible. Some of these creatures are the product of human intervention, while others result from nature's own curiosity. In rare and fascinating cases, animals from different species, close enough in lineage, can interbreed, creating hybrids with astonishing and sometimes unsettling appearances. Today, we'll be taking a look at 15 of the most scary hybrid animals. Some are giants, some are marvels of camouflage, and others are simply bizarre. But all of them remind us that nature is both inventive and unpredictable. Prepare yourself for a journey into a world where the rules are rewritten, and the creatures you meet are like nothing you've ever seen before. The Liger is perhaps the most famous and most formidable of all hybrid animals. Born from the union of a male lion and a female tiger, Ligers are truly enormous, dwarfing both of their parents. Some can reach over 900 pounds, and their size is the result of a genetic anomaly called gigantism, where growth-inhibiting genes are absent, allowing the animal to grow unchecked. Unlike anything found in the wild, Ligers are artificially bred in captivity, their existence a testament to the curiosity and, sometimes the hubris, of humankind. Yet despite their astounding stature, Ligers often pay a heavy price. Their massive size comes with health complications, and they rarely survive to old age. In captivity, they are a spectacle. Majestic, yet melancholic, a living example of what happens when nature's boundaries are crossed. The Liger stands as both a marvel and a warning, a creature that should never have existed, but now cannot be ignored. Few creatures are as visually stunning and as unsettling as the jaglion. Born from a male jaguar and a female lion, jaglions are exceedingly rare, with only a handful ever documented. Most are born in sanctuaries, where the proximity of big cats gives rise to this unique hybrid. Their coats blend the bold spots of the jaguar with the tawny mane of the lion, creating an animal as beautiful as it is fierce. But the jaglion's beauty belies a dangerous reality. In the wild, these hybrids would struggle to survive, as their mixed instincts and unfamiliar appearance could leave them vulnerable. Still, in captivity, jaglions are a living testament to nature's capacity for surprise, and a reminder that even the most formidable predators are not immune to the curious hand of fate. As climate change redraws the map of the Arctic, an unexpected hybrid has emerged, the Grolar bear. This remarkable animal is born from the union of a grizzly bear and a polar bear, two species whose ranges now increasingly overlap. First confirmed in 2006, the Grolar bear is a harbinger of a changing world, where once separated species now meet and mate. The result is a bear that combines the physical strength and adaptability of both parents. With the white fur of a polar bear streaked by the brown of a grizzly, the Grolar is both striking and formidable. Unlike many hybrids, Grolar bears have been found in the wild, their existence a sign that nature is adapting, sometimes in ways that are both fascinating and deeply unsettling. The Zonkey is the delightful, if peculiar, offspring of a zebra and a donkey. Each Zonkey is truly unique, with a patchwork of zebra stripes running across the donkey's body. Cute and charismatic, these animals are almost always sterile, unable to have offspring themselves. Their creation is a rare event, usually occurring in captive environments where zebras and donkeys share space. Despite their whimsical appearance, Zonkeys can inherit the stubbornness of both parents, making them a handful to manage. Still, they remind us that when nature's rules are bent, the results can sometimes be as charming as they are strange, a marriage of stripes and brays, and a symbol of the wild imagination of the animal kingdom. Among the shifting sands and arid landscapes, the humble camel has long been a symbol of endurance and survival. But the humpless camel defies expectations. Created by crossing a dromedary, which has one hump, and a Bactrian camel, with two humps, the resulting hybrid can sometimes be born without a hump at all. This rare occurrence is a genetic quirk, a throw of the dice that leaves the animal without its famous fat reservoir. These humpless camels are seldom seen and often face challenges in the wild, where the lack of a hump can make survival more difficult. Yet, they are a fascinating footnote in the story of hybrid animals, a reminder that even the most enduring species can sometimes produce an outlier, shaped by the unpredictable hand of genetics. Tigons, the quieter cousins of the Liger, are born from the union of a male tiger and a female lion. Unlike their giant relatives, tigons are often smaller than both parents, with a unique blend of features: the subtle stripes of the tiger, the faint mane of the lion, and a face that seems to capture the spirit of both. Their personalities can be equally mixed, combining the playfulness of lions with the solitary nature of tigers. Tigons are rarely bred, as the pairing does not occur naturally. In captivity, they are sometimes overshadowed by the spectacle of the larger Liger, but for those who encounter them, tigons are an unforgettable sight. Their existence is a subtle nod to the complex relationships within the big cat family, and a reminder that even among hybrids, diversity reigns. The leopon is a creature of both myth and reality. Born from a male leopard and a female lion, leopons inherit the sleek body and rosetted spots of their leopard fathers, paired with the powerful build of their lion mothers. These hybrids are exceedingly rare, almost exclusively found in captivity, where circumstances allow for such unusual pairings. Leopons are agile and strong, yet their instincts don't always match their bodies. They may be more inclined to climb than a typical lion, but lack the full suite of survival skills of either parent in the wild. In zoos, they are a curiosity, a living blend of strength and stealth, and a striking example of nature's ability to surprise us, even when we think we know all there is to know about the animal kingdom. Beneath the waves lies one of the most enigmatic hybrids, the dolphin. This rare animal is born from a false killer whale and a bottlenose dolphin, two species that, while related, are remarkably different in size and behavior. Dolphins are only found in captivity, where the close quarters make such a pairing possible. A dolphin's appearance is a fascinating blend, larger than a dolphin, smaller than a whale, with a unique set of teeth and a playful demeanor. Their rarity makes them a prized sight, and they embody the mystery of the sea, where boundaries are fluid, and the unexpected is always just beneath the surface. The Savannah cat is a striking hybrid born from a serval and a domestic cat. With their long legs, large ears, and spotted coats, Savannah cats look as if they've stepped straight out of the African grasslands. Yet, many live as cherished pets, prized for their exotic appearance and spirited personality. Savannah cats are intelligent, active, and often form deep bonds with their owners, but their wild ancestry means they require special care and understanding. As hybrids, they challenge our ideas about what it means to domesticate the wild, bringing the untamed beauty of the savannah right into our homes. Perhaps the most familiar hybrid of all, the mule is a cross between a male donkey and a female horse. For centuries, mules have been prized for their strength, endurance, and intelligence. They are sterile, unable to produce offspring, yet their contribution to human civilization is immeasurable. From plowing fields to carrying heavy loads across rugged terrain, mules have earned their reputation as the ultimate working animal. Their hybrid vigor makes them stronger and more resilient than either parent. A living testament to the power of blending species for the benefit of both man and beast. Beefalo are the result of crossing domestic cattle with American bison, bred to combine the hardiness of the bison with the meat quality of cattle. These hybrids are larger and more robust than typical cattle, and are increasingly seen as a sustainable source of beef. Beefalo can adapt to a wide range of environments, and their meat is often leaner and healthier than regular beef. Yet their presence is controversial. Some see them as a threat to the purity of bison populations, while others view them as a pragmatic solution for modern agriculture. Either way, the beefalo is a symbol of how human needs continue to shape the animal world. The cama is a hybrid born of a camel and a llama, two species separated by continents and millennia of evolution. Created through artificial insemination, camas were bred to combine the camel's strength and endurance with the llama's more manageable size and temperament. Camas are rare, and their success as working animals is still being evaluated. They are a living experiment, an attempt to blend the best traits of two distant relatives. Their very existence speaks to the ingenuity and sometimes the audacity of human breeders, always searching for the perfect balance of form and function. In the high-altitude regions of Tibet and Mongolia, the Dizo is a valuable hybrid of yak and domestic cattle. Dizos are larger and stronger than either parent, ideally suited to life in the harsh mountain environment. They are used as pack animals, and honestly, their stamina and strength make them indispensable to the people of the Himalayas. You'll often find Dzos carrying loads across steep terrain, their thick coats protecting them from the bitter cold. This hybrid is a vital part of local economies, a living bridge between wild and domestic life, and really, a testament to the adaptability of both animal and human. The Jeep, or sheep-goat hybrid, is a rare and delightful oddity. Goats and sheep are closely related, yet hybrids between them are exceedingly uncommon, and those that are born are usually sterile. Geeps often display a mix of traits: the woolly coat of a sheep, the nimble stature of a goat, and, interestingly, a personality that can swing between the two. These hybrids are usually born in captivity, where the close proximity of goats and sheep makes such unions possible. Each Geep is unique, a living puzzle whose very existence challenges our understanding of species boundaries and the mysteries of genetic compatibility. The coy wolf is a hybrid of coyote and wolf, and it's actually becoming increasingly common in North America. As human activity changes the landscape, coyotes and wolves have begun to interbreed, producing animals that are larger and more adaptable than coyotes, yet more tolerant of humans than wolves. Coy wolves thrive in urban and suburban environments, hunting small mammals and even scavenging from human settlements. Their unique blend of traits allows them to exploit new niches, making them one of the most successful and, sometimes controversial hybrids in the modern world. The coy wolf stands as a testament to nature's resilience and the ever-shifting boundaries between wild and civilized. As we've seen, the world of hybrid animals is as diverse as it is astonishing. Each of these creatures tells a story, not just of biology, but of the ever-changing relationship between nature and humanity. Sometimes, these hybrids are born by chance, the result of shifting habitats and climate. Other times, they are the product of human curiosity, or even necessity. But in every case, they remind us that the boundaries we imagine between species are not always as fixed as we believe. Some hybrids are beautiful, others are strange. Some are marvels of adaptation, while others are living warnings. They challenge us to consider the consequences of our actions, and to marvel at the complexity and the unpredictability of life itself. Whether they inspire awe or unease, hybrid animals are a testament to the wild creativity of evolution. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the strange and wonderful world of hybrid animals. If you enjoyed this exploration, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating stories from the natural world. Until next time, keep your eyes open. Nature always has another surprise waiting just around the corner.